Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I am back from my holidays. As you can see, I'm a tiny bit more tan than I usually am, and I really missed filming, so today I thought I will sit down and film a makeup tutorial for you guys. And I have this spice it up set from Rimmel London, which has a eyeshadow palette, and it's the Magnif'eyes Spice Edition. I will show you the colors inside. It looks like this, and it also has a lip color, a liquid lip color, which is in the shade It Girl. So I want to test these two today and create a makeup look for you guys. So what I'm going to do, I will zoom you guys closer and then I will switch to voiceover. So if you want to see the makeup look I'm going to create, please go ahead and keep on watching. So as you can see, I have my eyes primed and my eyebrows filled in. So I'm taking a transition shade with a fluffy blending brush, and I am applying that into my crease using windshield swiper motions. This will help other colors that we'll put next to blend more easily and have a smooth finish on our makeup look. So blend, 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 and then I am going to take a darker shade and apply that into the outer corner and into my crease as well with a smaller, more compact brush. And again, I am blending that a tiny bit lower than the actual first shade that we applied, so we can create more depth into the crease. After that, I am going to take the first blending brush again, and I am going to blend both of them together a tiny bit more so we can have a nice flawless look. Next, I'm going to take that plummy browny shade, and with a flat brush I will apply that all over my lid, all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner. And I am only using matte shades for this makeup look. I am not going to put any shimmers on my eyes today except some glitter eyeliner. You will see later in the video. But yeah, I'm trying to keep it pretty simple and effortless, so it's really easy to achieve this look. And then I'm going back with the same blending brush that we applied the transition shade with, and I am blending everything together a tiny bit more. And again, I am taking a tiny bit more of the first shade we applied because it did get lost a tiny bit in the process, so we are adding that a tiny bit more into the crease. Next, I'm taking a black liner, and this is from Eyeko, and we are creating a winged liner. And as I told you, here comes the glitter liner, which is not that great to be honest, but it's the only one I have in my collection right now. And then for my lower lashes, I am taking the shade that I've put all over my lid, and I am blending that on my lower lash line. As you can see, I already have my face makeup done, so I will link all the products I use in the description box down below. Next I am going to take the second shade we applied into the crease, and with a smaller blending brush I am going to blend that shade on my lower lashes so we can have a much more smoother makeup look. You can use false lashes with this makeup look if you want, but I was filming late at night and I honestly wasn't in the mood to apply false lashes. Next I'm taking the first shade in the palette, which is a pretty shimmery white, and I am applying that as a highlight in my inner corners and on my brow bone, haha, and on my brow bone as well. This eyeshadow palette, oh my god, I can't speak today. This eyeshadow palette has a tiny bit of kickback, but it's not that bad, and if you do your eye makeup before your face makeup with the darker shades, you should be fine. I didn't see anything that bothered me too much. Next, again, I am blending a tiny bit more so the transition between the shades is smooth and flawless. Next, for my lips, I am taking this lip liner from Flomar. I will list, as I told you, all the makeup I used in the description box, and I am lining my lips and slightly fill them in with this lip liner, and then we'll move on to the lip color. For my lip color, I'm using this Rimmel London liquid lip cream, and the shade it's called It Girl, and it's a pretty nude pink shade, and I am applying that all over my lips. I am not really liking this lip cream because it did dry my lips really bad after I used it, and I had some lip balm on my lips before I applied it, and still it was really drying on my lips, but the color is really pretty. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. This is the makeup look I came up with. I really enjoyed creating it. So yeah, please give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below what you want to see next, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!